Hey guys, and welcome back again to Brave Night. Today we have a new challenge. We have to design and print an old bicycle. And this old bicycle must be functional. This is the bicycle that we are about to make. It's a 100 years old bicycle. There is rust everywhere as you can see. It has a phone holder, basket, a softened sponge chair. And there is some text on the gears and a mini chair of course. And all this detail must be included in our final design. First thing I did, I added the picture into the software. I'm using Fusion 360, the free edition of course, because I don't have money to buy the full edition. Then I started to make the frame, the wheels, adding some details. Boring, and it is done. After 3 days of hard working, now it is done. And guess what? This thing is 100% printable. This will be the first printable bicycle that you can ever find. Let me show you why. The wheels actually made from 2 pieces as you can see, so you can easily print it flat. Like this piece also 2 sides, and this frame it's not round as you can see, and the back bicycle wheel will move with the rubber between these 2 discs. And here we have the basket and the thick fat chair and the mini chair and the phone holder or the mouse trap or whatever that is. And yeah, that's it for the design. It will be cool, it will be fun. It's made from 26 pieces. Yeah, and I forget to tell you man that and I made the same drawing from the main design. It took me some time, but yeah, I did it. But before we print it, we have to make some holes. And I decided to use this stick. If you measure this one, it will be around 2 millimeter of thickness. So now we have to make it fit. So this wood stick must fit here and here between all these parts and here. And of course then we're gonna make another one here. Yeah, with the same size, yeah, who cares. Anyway, now it's time to print it. Let's print the wheels. It looks cool so far. It is done. Oh, it fits perfectly and there is no gap between them. Yeah, see how accurate it is. Look how it spins. Yeah, let's print some more stuff. I did it. Nice. Let's print some more stuff. More. More. Yeah, let's try it. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. It should work. Whoa. It works. It's working. Nice. Yeah, you can do burning too. All of this designed by me, by the way. When I tell you I'm a professional, I mean it. That's perfect. I just designed a bicycle. Now let's finish this. I painted these parts to make it look a little bit better. With a gray color. Here is the phone holder. So now let's put it all together.